Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Smart Game Booster for your PC on Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. So let's get started. Guys, go to your browser and then search Smart Game Booster. So you will see like this. Go to the first link. And then this is the official website of Smart Game Booster. And official website always contain its latest version of any software. Then go press free download. And the amazing thing on the Smart Game Booster is it can record games. It has Game Booster, Overclock, PC Temperature Monitor, Game Launcher, FPS Monitor, System Optimizer, this Defrag, Feed Driver Updater, and PC Game Recorder. So this link will be open. I think this is the suggested link for this, because this and this are two different. Got free download. This is the screenshots for the computer. I will show you better from this. Then if you have Internet Download Manager, this will be show in this. If you don't have, it will be on then search save as which directory you want, and I'm a desktop. Then start download. Then this will be download. This will be downloaded. I'm canceling it because this and I can close. This is the setup, and then click on it. Wait a minute. Then allow it. Yes. Preparing for Smart Game Booster installation. Be patient. Install. Just one click. 4.4, the latest version. Unmark this, or marked. It's finished. It will open. And if this version is free, I have Pro. Please check the description. There will be a serial key for this. When you will download, this will be free because I have already downloaded. I have already activated it. When you will download it, install it, this will be on free. Please check the description. I will add a serial key in the description, so check the description also. NAS Pro and click boost. This will boost and clean the system, optimize the system. And these icons are games. You can add your games, which games you want. Call of Duty, San Andreas, and Total Overdose. Your PC is boosted. Then these are the metrics. Enable HUD. This is the FPS frame rates, and this hotkeys in gaming. When you will boost your PC and like GT San Andreas play. I'm not clicking it. Play. Your game will be starting, and then hotkey this will be showing. Then where you want FPS to show it, FPS is then this. if on this, so this on this hotkeys in gaming. When you will play a game, if it is showing FPS, then this is the hotkey. You can customize it, you can change it what you want. Control Alt Z, Control Alt Z, when you will press, then there will be showing recording, then your game will be recording. If you have no graphic card, then your game will be a little bit lag. If your graphic card, then your game will not lag. If you have a high-end PC, then your game will not lag on high graphics. Not really. CPU 52 Celsius, hard disk 39 Celsius. This is showing the hardware sensors, and this is drivers, Intel, the graphic card, and high definition audio. And auto update is off when you have free version, and pro auto update. If you have any update, then it will auto update it, or check. I'm sure I have not drivers to update. These are utilities, system tweaks, improve system. Was sure there were no drivers to be updated. PC diagnoses its problems and help you solve them by diagnosing the status of hardware, system, software, etc. System tweaks, improve system performance by tweaking system parameters. Running programs, like it will stop them, and tweaks some, just clean the PC, and it will says you to restart. And this it will optimize and rearrange the files stored on the hard disk to increase file access speed, offering a faster game launch. So this is the smart game booster for settings. About this is 4.4.4 805 smart game booster 4. So thanks for watching.